Welcome to Woods Canyon Woodworks. If you've been watching my weaving videos, you may recognize that I make a lot of my own equipment and supplies. I don't believe in spending a lot of money until you really know what it is you want. So today I'm going to show you how to make a twined bag loom. And basically what you need is 2 pieces of wood, a 2x6 for the base, a 1x4 for the top, and a 3-foot long dowel. So I've been doing production woodworking for 16 years, so I have a fully equipped shop, but basically all you need is something to cut your wood with and something to drill the holes with. So if you don't have a drill press, you can use just a regular hand drill. Just try to make sure that you drill your holes nice and straight. And for your bit, if you have a stock collar, that's good. If not, put a piece of tape around your bit so you drill your holes all the same depth. Now I'm going to be using a Forstner bit because it gives a nice flat bottom to my holes. So the first thing you need is a 3-foot dowel. You can use a 3/4 or a 7/8 inch, and then you want to cut it in half. You can actually make it any length. I've cut mine into 17-inch pieces. But cut it however you need it. And then sand your dowel slightly so you don't snag your fabric. And then just set it aside, you're done. Okay, so I set my dowel aside. I won't need it again. And I have a 2x6 for the base and a 1x4 for the top. If you don't have any scrap wood, you might ask at a local woodworking shop because they often have scrap wood that they'll give you for little or no cost. So cut them 15 inches long. If you want to make a bigger bag, you can cut them longer, like 18 inches. And then I'm going to drill my holes 1 inch apart. So I have a number of different sizes I can make. So you want to take a straight edge and mark your center line. And then I'm going to mark mine 1 inch apart. I'm going to mark mine at 4.5, 3.5, 2.5, 1.5. And then I'm going to set the depth on my drill press at a little over half the depth of my wood. So then I have my fence set, I have my depth set. Now I'm going to drill my holes. Line it up here. Continue drilling my holes all across here, and then I'm going to reset my fence in the depth and drill my holes in the top bar, and I'll catch you in a minute. Okay, so now I have my holes drilled in the 2x6 and in the 1x4, and I'm going to sand them so they're nice and smooth and don't snag my yarns. And I have my dowels lightly sanded. So if they're ready to use, that's all you have to do. If you want to put a finish on them, I recommend something simple like linseed oil. Linseed oil is natural to the weaving process because it is made from flaxseed, which is what they make linen out of. So it's very natural. So now that we have holes drilled on the sides, you can adjust your bag to any size. And so you just put your holes in the bottom, your dowels in the bottom holes, and then put your top piece on. And that holds your dowels in place, and you're ready to start weaving your bag. Now the dowels will shrink or enlarge according to the humidity. So if you find your dowels are a little bit loose in the holes, all you have to do is put a piece of yarn in along with your dowel, and that'll tighten it up. So I do need to sand this a little bit, and then I'll be ready to put a finish on, and then ready to weave. So there you go, simple process, easy to make and easy to twine on. So happy twining, we'll catch you later.